Hello, kids! Let's learn the continents of the world. Clap your hands and sing with me, slowly. Yellow North America, Antarctica, North America, mine. Teeth, South America, S-O-U-T-H, A-M-E-R-I-C-A, South America, mine. 3, Europe, E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe, darn it! Veer of Africa, A-F-R-I-C-A, Africa, I. The Asia, A-S-I-A, Asia, hit. 6, the Australia,